RestoMods Nation? It's Mike. I am here with your 1967 Mustang Fastback GT, our 8th prize car, and you just watched us throw on our Magnaflow Street Series 3-inch exhaust, and what I'm here to do is to show you what it sounds like. So we did a series of tests before we threw this exhaust on with the glass pack exhaust that came with the car, and now we're going to do that same series of tests with the Magnaflow Street Series 3-inch exhaust. Let's do it.
Tell us about how the exhaust sounds inside the car.
I got a Ferrari and he just waved at me. How about that?
Damn, it feels good to be a gangster.
The exhaust inside the car sounds really good. At an idle, low RPMs, it's not obnoxious, and to be honest with you, even at high RPMs, it doesn't like resonate in the car. It's just a low rumble until you really get in those high RPMs, but it's even then really nice tone, very aggressive. People know you're going fast. So we want to give a huge shout out to Magnaflow for this 3-inch Street Series exhaust for our 67 Mustang sweepstakes car. And another thank you to Dual Tone for helping us get this thing on there. I had to bend some pipes, tack some stuff in there. And this thing is sounding better than it ever has. We're very excited to see who wins it. Stay tuned, just a few days, we're going to announce the winner.